Top of the morning, everybody. Welcome to Maths with Gastin. I am Gastin Mapala. Let's have a look at this example on calculus by definition, where we're taking derivative f of x. With this example now, let's have a look at it. F of x is equal to 3 over x squared. Okay, you would remember from exponents that if anything is 1 over is as good as written as like this: 3 is equals to x to the power of minus 2. Okay, if you haven't done this, but I'm assuming that you guys, because you're in grade 12, you understand exponents, but we still on this channel going to post more chapters, as we're still an upcoming and growing channel. We'll post the chapter on exponents. Please make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, so now let's have a look at this one. By definition, f of x stroke means derivative of this one. We'll say drop the exponent. 3 is here, we drop the exponent minus 2. Okay, and then x is going to be minus 2, then we minus 1 from it. Okay, then when we simplify, this is going to be minus 6 is going to be x to the minus 3. Therefore, if you like, you can simplify this further and say minus 6 is going to be over x to the power of 3. And that's how you would deal with this example, ladies and gentlemen. If you've got any questions, please make sure that you leave a comment below. I am Gastin Mapala. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you on the next upload.